Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today's little card is this one, and it's using the little Chameleon, which is from an actual kit. And this kit is called Let's Party Treat Packaging Kit. And obviously once you've made all your treat packaging, you are then left with your stamp set that you get in the kit. So you get all these stamps in the kit, and obviously then you can create your own cards and things. So this is an alternative for the kit. So obviously once you've made your treat packaging, you can get on and use your stamps that are available to you. So it's this one here. So I have used the note cards that Stampin' Up sell in a pack for this one. So we're just going to burnish that one there for a nice crisp edge, and then I've just created some layers. So I've gone with Orchid Oasis and then obviously a basic white layer there, just coming in 1/4 of an inch each time, and you get a nice border. So that's what we're doing. Grab Coastal Cabana and a blending brush, and then just a sort of scrap piece of card or paper or whatever, and then ink up your blending brush. And then, like I've said before, if you go straight in and start, sometimes you get a real harsh colour. So just take that excess off, because what you want is just the soft colour of your blending brush. So, and then obviously you can build the colour up as you want. So ink it again, take that excess off so you don't get that harsh colour when you go in. And obviously you can build it as much as you want, but I just want just a slight sort of background to it, so that I'm happy with that. And then you get your Chameleon, which I've already mounted on my block, and then we're going to ink that up. So give it a swoosh on that pad, ink it up, and then I'm going to pop him just down there. And then for the sentiment, I change it up. So on this one I've got Let's Party, on this one I've got You're the Best. So tap, 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 ink it up, and then that's going to go just there. And then we can colour him using our blends. So I've grabbed colours that I want. Excuse me, and I've got Tahitian Tide, and I'm not actually sure what this little creature is here. I call it a dragonfly, but I'm not actually sure, but I'm going with a dragonfly into Tahitian Tide. And then for my actual Chameleon, I'm just going to go with the Parakeet Party. So when I do my blends, I go over it in the light first. And as I say, there's different ways of doing it, but this is how I do it. And just colour in with my blends, and I go in with my light. Then I grab my darker one and I just shade down the bottom where I want some shading. So wherever I want a bit of shading, and then go back in. This is what I do. I go back in with my light and just sort of blend that out. And as I say, there are different ways to do it. And then just so he's not in midair, I've gone with the light smoky slate blend, and then just put a little bit of something for him to be sort of on. There we go. And then it's just a case of gluing it, which I've left over there. So yeah, layer it up. So I've gone with Orchid Oasis, which is a very, very lovely colour. As you probably can guess, it's one of my favourites of the new in colours. The gorgeous bluey colour. And then, oops, you just want a slight little border around, and then the layer of your Chameleon onto the top there. And there we have it. Pretty simple stamping on that card there. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please think about doing so. It's free, totally free, and it really helps me create more of these types of videos. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.